Hello friends, in this session we'll discuss the strategy how to become OAS Topper 2018. You can say the plan, the program or the strategy for becoming OAS Topper not only in 2018, in any year in future. How you will be OAS Topper? Many students, many scholars, many thinkers, many intellectuals, teachers, professionals, they participate in this examination. And they always want to know the secrecy behind the topper. How to become OAS topper in first attempt. You see, the first thing is that you should know the syllabus. Second thing, you should finish all the sections of syllabus starting from prelims, main, and interview. We know there are three stages of examination: preliminary stage, main stage, and interview test, or you can say personality test. So let's have brief idea about the exam procedure, exam stages. So let's understand. There are three stages. You can say first stage, second stage, and the third stage. We are talking about OPSC, Odisha Public Service Commission. Odisha Public Service Commission, right? This OPSC was established in 1949. Stage is main, third stage personality test. Personality test, right? In the first stage, we have two papers, paper 1, paper 2. Actually, this is called Civil Service Aptitude Test. This is, you can say, General Studies paper 1, and this is General Studies paper 2. Well, and here you will have 200 marks. Here you will have 200 marks. Total number of questions, you can say, here 80 questions, and here 100 questions, right? And this paper is qualifying. This paper is purely qualifying in nature, so no need to worry about this. I'll just explain briefly how to become tougher. If you watch completely, you'll definitely understand how much marks is required to become tougher in OAS examination, right? Here we have passage or comprehensive passage, you can say. We have 20 questions. I'm just distributing the, you can say, questions coming from which section, how much, right? So passage, then math, very small math, SF, LCM, number system, percentage, you can say simple interest, compound interest, work, time, all those, right? So let it be 15 questions, reasoning, logical reasoning, puzzle, time, you can say direction test, right? Venn diagram, alphabet, so 20 questions. Then you can say data interpretation, 5 to 10 questions, decision makings, 5 to, okay, anyway. So if you just manage it, 80 questions, right? So it may be 15 to 20 somewhere or 20 to 22, no issue. But total number of questions is 80. And out of 80 questions, only you have to score 33%. What I mean to say, 26.5 questions, you should make it correct. Or simply, just round it, 27 questions you should correct. So 20 questions, 27 questions means you qualified this paper, and now after, if you qualify this paper will be evaluated. So what we are going to discuss here we have geography, right? We have nearly 20 questions, environment, maybe 15 questions, polity, Indian polity, suppose 10 to 12 questions, history, 15 questions, general science, economics, economics 5 to 10 questions, general science and current affairs, rest, right? So total number of questions 100. And out of 100 questions, every year, if you want to secure your position and you want to write main examination, then please try to score 60 questions correctly. 60 questions means 120 marks, right? 120 marks. Here each question is 2 marks. Here each question is 2.5 marks, right? So this is the point you have to remember. Thing is that now the topper procedure starts from main, because in preliminary part, if you qualify this paper, paper 1 will be evaluated, and if you score 60, 65, more than 60 you should score, so that you will write main exam. In main exam, you have 2 optional papers, because there is no change in syllabus right now. So if syllabus will change, then I will tell those strategy, no issue. But right now we have 2 optionals, right? Maybe public administration, history, geography, physics, chemistry, forestry, agriculture. Many subjects are there. Nearly 23, 25 subjects are there. Even Odia language is also there. So anyway, what I mean to say that in this paper, you will find objective. This is objective paper, and this is subjective. We know this very well, right? And there is negative marking, so you should be careful. So anyway, for you can say for each wrong question or wrong answer, there will be penalty for 0.25%, right? That means if you go for doing more questions, then there is risk of doing mistakes. So be careful and try to score 60 so that you will be safe, you will be secure for writing main examination. In main examination, we have 2 optional. First optional, right? First optional. There are 2 papers, paper 1 300, paper 2 300. Second optional, whatever you like, you can keep as per your interest. Choosing optional is very, very important, right? Here 300 and 300, and you can say, okay, GS paper 1 300, paper 2 300, and essay paper we have 200, English and Odia. This is also qualifying, 300 and 300, no issue. This paper is not calculated for merit purpose, but you have to qualify. Like this paper, paper 2, you have to qualify this. So this is only qualifying. And if you count, this is 2000 plus 600, 2600 marks. But actually from 2000 marks, your merit list will come. That means you can say the marks secured here and the marks secured here in personality test will be counted for merit purpose. So how much marks you should score so that you will be OAS Topper 2018 or 19 or the years coming, right? So as per the research and talking with several experts and previous records, mark sheets, main score, I came to know that you should score this much of marks. I am going to explain right now. In optional paper, try to score 200 and 200, right? It seems to be impossible, but if you study hard, work hard, nobody can stop you to become topper. So 200, 200. Okay, let one example. Suppose popular subject like public administration, right? You can keep public administration or you can keep philosophy here. Any option, I am just taking example, right? You can keep as per your choice. It may be physics or sociology, chemistry, mathematics, statistics, any subject you want, any optional you want. But for understanding, I am just keeping here public administration and philosophy, right? So try to score 400. Then here try to also score 400. That means paper 1 200, this paper also 200. Are you getting my point? And here try to score 200 and 200. It's not impossible. Essay, try to score 150 plus. Let it be 150 right now, right? So just count this. Just add this 200, 200, 400, 400, 400, 1200, 1350, right? How much? 1350. Believe me, now you are OAS Topper. But you may be thinking that, okay, I'm watching this and you made me OAS Topper. How is it possible? It's ridiculous. It's just imagination. So how can I score this sort of mark, this much of mark? But believe me, you have guts, you should have power, you should have confidence, and I'm damn sure you have all sorts of caliber and capacity to make it happen, right? So you just see, so 400, 400, 400, 1200, 1300, 1350, and whatever it may be, try to score 200. Prepare very well, go through current affairs for interview, try to mug up few international things, try to develop your personality, whatever you have, and I'm damn sure you'll definitely score at least 200 out of 250 marks. So just add it, 1350 plus 200, 1550. And that means you are topper, OAS Topper. Maybe 2018 or any years coming in future, if you follow this strategy, I assure you that you can be a topper. The thing is that you must understand that you should study in a very deep sense, complete understanding of the topic. It may be public administration, maybe philosophy, maybe geography, maybe physics, any optional. Optional plays a vital role. You just imagine 300, 300, 600 here, and 600 here. Optional is very, very important. But in case of prelim, general studies is very, very important. Earlier, this paper was also important because it was not a qualified paper. Now it's qualifying. So you can score only 27 questions. And after prelim, in main exam, the important point is you should score high marks in optional papers so that you can score a very, very good marks and you can top this examination. I hope you got this point. Wish you happy learning. Thank you very much.